we're buying property today, looking to offload properties in 5 years, right? So if you go back 5 years from now and you look at what a house cost 5 years ago, it's compared to what it costs now, and in the market I'm in, you're gonna be seeing it's over $100,000 that property has gained equity, right? So if we could get, just say one person get 10 properties right now, in 5 years, each one of them has the value went up $100,000. Now you just made $1 million in 5 years, and you ain't even really did nothing. You just bought them now using the bank's money to buy it and the government money to pay it off, right? So you really gonna be out of the deal with no money in the deal. You think about it. In 5 years, you have no money in the deal where you're using the bank's money to buy it, the government money to pay it off. In 5 years, you have over $1 million in equity between your 10 properties. It may be two, depending on what the market do. But I know for a fact it would be over $100,000 for each property. And we're not going to the bank and buying these houses. So it's super easy to acquire the real estate, right? It's super easy once you have the information, the knowledge and the skills to do it. It's easy to acquire it. And within 5 years, you're going to have over $1 million in equity.